So I thought I would show you guys the cicadas that are making all this racket around us. Yeah, they've all decided to come, a lot of them, and land here on my windows and near my doors. Let me show you what I found. There's a whole bunch of them right there. And then there's some more down here. They're all over my window. I don't know if you can see these. They're on the ground. Zoom over here. They're just everywhere. Kind of gross. And the sound is coming from all these trees. So I would think the birds would eat all these cicadas, but maybe they are, but not enough for them. And so, yeah, it's been pretty interesting to see them. Today was the first day that we actually saw them all over our windows and things, so pretty interesting.